Okay, questions 33 to 37. Look at the following animals, questions 33 to 37, and the list of descriptions below. Animals' names are 33 to 37, and list of description. Now tell me, is it type A or type B? Type B. Good. How many of you said type B? Clapping. No, it's type A. Okay, now listen carefully. The names of animals 33 to 37, they and the passage are in. Now please find the word coyotes. Coyotes. Look for the word coyotes. Coyotes. Fifth paragraph. Underline the word coyotes. Found it? Okay. All right. Now look for the word domestic dogs. Same paragraph. Underline the word domestic dogs. Got it? Okay. Then look for the word elephants. Elephants. Found it? Okay. Then look for the word Diana monkeys. Diana monkeys. Found it? Okay. Now look for the word rats. Rats. Rats, rats. Second last paragraph. So are they in order? Yeah? Now you trust me? Okay? Alright. Now what you have to do, very, very simple. Question number 33 is coyotes. Read about coyotes. After skim reading about coyotes, come to options A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And if you read about coyotes carefully and well, the right answer will ring a bell. Okay, let's do it together. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth paragraph. In other members of the dog family, play is controlled in a similar way. Among coyotes, cubs which are too aggressive are ignored by the rest of the group. Now listen, what is cubs? Babies. Right? Babies among coyotes, cubs which are too aggressive. Aggressive means they try to bite other ones and all that, are ignored by the rest of the group and often end up having to leave entirely. Okay, end up having to leave entirely means they leave the group and all that. Now please come back. Option A, often attack peers who fail to follow the moral code. Yes or no? No. Option B, appear to enjoy playing with members of a different species. And by the way, for different species, they will use other animals. Name of other animals. Option C, sometimes share treats with a peer. Share treats with a peer means if you give ice cream to a monkey, monkey will share ice cream with another monkey. Kya ja tu bhi kha le. Okay? So, option D, may assist a peer who is failing to complete a task. No. Option E, may be driven away by their peers if they do not obey the moral code. Driven away. End up, what is the word for there? For driven away, they use the word end up having to leave entirely. End up having to leave entirely means driven away by their peers. Peers means other members of the group. Okay, if you do not obey the moral code. And what is the word for do not obey the moral code? If they are aggressive, exactly. So for question number 33, correct answer is E. And now one option will be used once only. Please cross E. Will we read E again? No. Got it? 33 we have already answered. Now what is 34? Domestic dogs. Please come back. Where is domestic dog? Same paragraph. Please follow me. Experiments with domestic dogs. Mil gaya? Alright, please follow me here. Experiments with domestic dogs where one animal was given some sweets and another wasn't have shown that they possess a sense of fairness as they allowed their companion to eat some. One dog was given some sweet and he showed compassion and gave that sweet to the other dog as well. Which option? Sometimes share treats with a peer. Now what is the word for treat? Sweets. What is the word for share? Yeah, they allowed their companion. And what is the word for peer? Companion. See that? Once you start doing it like this, you will understand IELTS reading. So for question number 34, correct answer is C. Now we cross C as well. Okay? Let's go on. Question number 35. Elephants. Where are elephants? Okay, last paragraph on title page. Now please follow me there. Elephants are intensely sociable and emotional animals. Research by Ian Douglas Hamilton from the Department of Zoology, Oxford. You just read on. University suggests elephants experience compassion and has found evidence of elephants helping injured members of their herd. Okay? Now just wait. You should read it all. Otherwise you will end up writing a wrong answer. Right? They help the members of their herd. Now they don't help other species. They help the member of their herd. Elephants live in a herd. Right? So, in 2003, a herd of 11 elephants rescued antelopes. What is antelope? It's another animal. So 11 elephants rescued antelopes which were being held inside an enclosure. So, which option may help a different type of animal? Now tell me, what is the word for different type of animal? Antelope, which is in difficulty. What is the word for in difficulty? In difficulty. Being held inside an enclosure in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. So that is difficulty. So correct answer for question number 35 is G. May help a different type of animal which is in difficulty. Now, should we cross G? All right. Next. Diana monkeys. It's a monkey, okay? It's not, yeah, it's just a monkey. Diana monkeys. Where do we have Diana monkeys? Yeah. Next page, second paragraph. A laboratory experiment. Found it? Now, please follow me. A laboratory experiment involved training Diana monkeys to insert a token into a slot to obtain food. Now try to understand, they had to insert a token in a slot like video games we play to get food. A male who had become skilled at the task was found to be helping the oldest female. Now Diana monkey, male Diana monkey was helping oldest female, right? Who had not learned how to do it. Now match something with it. What is D? May assist a peer. What is peer? Oldest female. Right? Oldest female is peer. So it is may assist a peer who is failing to complete a task. What is failing to complete? Who had not learned. Who had not learned means failed. And what was the task? To insert a, exactly, to insert a token. Now you understand, task, fail, and all. I mean, this is how you interpret the words in the question and how the words are interpreted in the passage. So which option are we going to cross now? Option D. What are we left with? Rats and how many options? 3 options. See that? They always give extra options to confuse you. Rats. So where are rats? Second last paragraph. Please follow me there. Experiments with rats have shown that they will not take food. They means rats. They will not take food if they know their actions will cause pain to another rat. Now if their action of getting food is causing pain to another rat, they will not take food. Come back. Okay, option F, seem unwilling to benefit from something that hurts their peers. Now, what is the word for hurts? Exactly. Cause pain to another rat. And what is the word for peer? Another rat. Absolutely. So, 37, correct answer is F. Now, which options we did not use? A and B. These options were extra. Is this clear? See that if you're doing it systematically, and you will not be able to do it immediately after this class. It will take time, practice, and then you'll be able to do that. Okay? Thank you.